We will guide you through how to set your own font in Linktree. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the taskbar search feature to locate Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome application and wait for it to load completely. Enter Linktree and press Enter to search for the official website. From the search results, click the official Linktree website and allow the page to finish loading before continuing. Ensure you have already logged into your Linktree account so you can access your profile and editing features without interruption. Move your cursor to the top right side of the page and click Admin to open your Linktree dashboard. Next, move your cursor to the left side of the screen and click Design to access the available customization settings. In the Design section, find and select text to customize the typography used across your Linktree page. Locate the selected font style next to Page Font and click it to open the font options. A pop-up menu will appear, showing a list of available fonts that you can choose from for your page. Review the available choices and select your desired font based on the appearance you want for your Linktree profile. Keep in mind that not all fonts are available with free accounts, and some font options require a pro account before they can be used. Choose an available font that matches your preferred style and keeps your text clear and easy to read for visitors. After making your selection, review the page preview to confirm that the font looks appropriate throughout your Linktree profile. If the appearance is satisfactory, click or tap Save to apply the font changes. Your selected font will then be used for the page text according to the customization settings you selected.